Okay, I'm going to show you one more thing about setting up a Blooket. So you can set up a homework assignment, right? Now you can only set it to last for a week. So take that into consideration when you are setting it up. So if I click on Classic, for example, you can see my only option is to host. The one that we were just playing, Factory, we have the option we could do host, which is live, I'm controlling it, or homework. So let's see what happens when I select homework. It automatically has the due date for 1 day from now. Okay. You have an option to change it up to 7 days away. But if you add hours, technically that's 8 days away. And again, you'd be able to add minutes. So if you wanted to really precisely match it to a time, totally possible. Okay. Change the title to whatever you want. You can, for this one, set the time. So your homework assignment, I want you to do this for 10 minutes. Okay, that's a real short homework assignment. And then you would click assign now. So when I do that, right, you are going to see that it's going to give me the same directions as normal, the blooket.com/play with this code. But here's what I really want. I want this link, and this is what I'm going to provide for students so that they can do this for homework. Really simple way to assign some homework. Again, they do not need to log in, have their own account, because they're just using this link from me. All right. So when I copy this link, when I open this up, just so you can see from a student end what actually happens when you open a homework assignment. Here we go. All right, so here's the factory game. Do I want a tutorial? No. And here we go. It tells me I have 10 minutes to do it. Okay, so again, I'm going to keep answering questions and attempt to get as much money as I can in the amount of time that I can. Okay, and again, I have 10 minutes. Okay, so, but here's what I wanted to show you before. All right, so see that I have, this has like a tree. None of these have that same thing, so none of them are advantageous for me. So I'll pick this one though. All right, so let's just see, let's get to one more and see that if I can get a matching one. Okay. All right, so, oh, I have this one. That's going to help me earn money faster. So do you see now my money is just going up by, I'm not even answering questions yet. Up here, I can see the time. I have to continue playing for that amount of time in order to finish. Okay, so this is setting up a homework assignment. This is using Factory. My students really do enjoy this one.